fun and learn. Dear kids, today we will learn about halal and haram animals and birds. Do you know what is halal and haram animals and birds? Halal animals are those animals which we can eat. We can get milk, meat, eggs and leather from the halal animal. And haram animals are those animals which we can not eat. बच्चों, आज हम हलाल और हराम जानवर और परिंदों के बारे में जानेंगे। आपको पता है हलाल जानवर कौन कौन से होते हैं? हलाल जानवर वो जानवर होते हैं जिनका हम गोश्त, दूध, अंडे और खाल इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, जैसे बकरी, गाय, ऊंट वगैरह। और हराम जानवर वो जानवर होते हैं जिनको हम खा नहीं सकते। This is a cow. Cow is a halal animal. We can get milk, meat and leather from the cow. This is a sheep. Sheep is a halal animal. We can get wool, meat and milk from the sheep. This is a goat. Goat is a halal animal. We can get milk, meat and leather from the goat. This is a horse. Horse is a haram animal. We cannot eat it. These are hens. Hens are halal bird. We can get meat and eggs from hens. These are ducks. Ducks are halal birds. We can get eggs and meat from ducks. This is an elephant. Elephant is a haram animal. This is a tiger. Tiger is a haram animal. We cannot eat tiger. This is a camel. Camel is a halal animal. We can get leather, meat and milk from the camel. This is a dog. Dog is a haram animal. We cannot eat dog. This is a cat. Cat is a haram animal. We cannot eat cat. This is a rabbit. Rabbit is a halal animal. We can get meat from the rabbit. This is a donkey. Donkey is a haram animal. We cannot eat donkey. This is a snake. Snake is also a haram animal. We cannot eat snake. This is a deer. Deer is a halal animal. We can get meat from deer. These are fish. Fish is a halal animal. We can get meat and eggs from the fish. Thanks for watching.